In this video you'll be shown how to change the throttle pedal on your Crazy Kart shift. You will need 3 Allen keys, 6mm, 5mm and a 4mm. Using the 6mm you will need to unscrew the bolt on the centre steering wheel shown here. Do not remove the steering wheel, you just need to be able to get access to the battery compartment. Using the 4mm, unscrew the bolt to the battery compartment shown here. Lift the steering wheel and open the lid. Using the 5mm, unscrew the bolt to the battery bar shown here. Then disconnect. Then remove both batteries. Next, unscrew the 2 screws shown here and then here. Pull the motor box out to give you access to the white pedal connector shown here. Disconnect and remember to keep the P-clip for later. Flip the kart over and then remove the 4 screws shown here, then the 3 securing the pedal shown here. Pull the cable out and remove the 4 P-clips and grommet, keeping them safe for later. Pull the cable through the pedal hole as shown. With your new pedal, feed the cable back through the hole and hold the pedal in place. Place the cap back on top as shown and secure with the 3 screws. Then replace the P-clips and secure the cable with the 4 screws from earlier, making sure the cable is tight as you go along so that the cable will not catch in use. Feed the connector through the hole, insert the grommet and plastic clip, ensuring the cable is tight and neat. Flip your kart, place the P-clip back onto the cable and connect back together. Push back under behind the controller, making sure the controller is back neatly in its housing. Secure the P-clip with a screw as shown. Then screw in the remaining 2 screws securing the controller. Put the batteries back into place and connect, making sure all cables are neat. Turn on the switch and test that the kart works, then switch off. Screw the bolts back into the battery bar and compartment and then the steering wheel, making sure you remember to lift the wheel. You have now changed the throttle pedal to your Crazy Kart shift.